Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time, well, we're going to continue the work that we did on our landscape, on the ocean landscape. In the past we did the sky with the horizon, and we did also the clouds. I think the result is great, and again I did show you my technique to go fast about it, still doing something very nice. Now we're going to do the water. It's going to be calm water. There's a lot of way to do any kind of painting. You know, as they say, you can well, if you take some courses in painting, you're going to take the good and the bad from the teacher you have encountered. That's for sure, that's normal. Since I'm autodidact, you know, I learned by myself, I did find techniques on my own to respond to my liking, of course, and to be more easy. You know, for me, you have all kind of landscape, like portrait, of any kind of painting. There's always different techniques. The most popular technique, I think, is to look at a painting without going at it with a magnifying glass. You know, you have to look at the big picture. So now, just to go right at it, as you know, the last time when we did the clouds, I didn't quite like where I did put the clouds. I think they were a little bit too high. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put our horizon a little bit higher. There's no problem. You use, like I said before, you use a good tape, then you're going to have less of a mess, that less of acrylic paint that goes under the tape. That of course is the most important part. It's different because you know, when we talked about doing the horizon, at the base of the horizon you have to be more pale, more white, then go, as you go up, you go bluer, deeper blue as you go up. The water, you go the other way around. You go more blue, then as long as you come forward towards you, the water gets lighter. Of course, there's a few reasons why. We have to understand the way the sun and the brightness reflect on the water. When you go further, I mean, as more down, more up to you, closer to you, should I say, the water is then reflect more the sun, so it's more invisible. It's more light blue because you can see almost through it. So that's why we start a deep blue, then we come down and we go lighter. I think it's nice. I think, like I said, I did my beach before, but I wanted to brighten it just a little bit because I don't want to put too much emphasis, oh my God, you know what I mean, on the beach. But I think it's nice that way. Of course, if I wanted to do more of a deep sea or more agitated sea, well, the trick is to put more white, just to accentuate the wave. That's the best way to do it. I did accentuate a small wave near the bottom of the painting. Of course, I think it's more like in reality. So guys, I think it's always a question of trial and error, but you have to go at it. You have to try it. You have to not be afraid. And if something, you go over it. You start over again. There's no problem. And with acrylic, it dries quite fast. So that's the way to go. For me, I like to do it in 2 or 3 steps, meaning that I like to do my deep blue, then I let it dry, then I go downward to the lighter blue. Like I said, I like to let dry each of my layers, so I like to have about 3 layers to go to almost nothing near the beach. So guys, I hope you like it. Like I said, it's only one technique. I use a lot of technique depending on the wave I want to create. Next time we're going to see more big wave, how to do big wave. But now I just wanted to do a landscape. Next time we're going to do something interesting on our beach. So we're not finished yet, but I think it's starting to look like something. I think it's great, so I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it, and like always guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.